I'm Tommy. Now we're unboxing these Mario Karts today. And we also got some others. And this is Daisy, this is Wario, and this is Luigi, and this is Baby Mario. And this is Tanuki Mario. And this is Diddy Kong, and this is Bowser. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It's a heavy cart. Now 3, 2. 3, 2, 1. Golden tire. New wheel. Whoa, this one's also heavy. Look on the back, there's also stars.
Oh yeah.
And bye.